Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to add Discord link to TikTok. Firstly guys, you need to go and open your Discord section and then you need to find the link for it, and as you can see here I need just to go on the invite section and then write down I have the link. Just you need to copy the link, get back to your TikTok account, and you need to make sure also that your account is a business pro account. It's not a personal account. Go on edit profile, and right after here on the website section just click on it. Here you can basically delete this one and go for the Discord link, go paste and just go save. After you go save, guys, you have added your Discord link to your TikTok. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.